Hey guys, it's Prince here. Many of you asked me to show a full video of my car, so here it is. And in this video I'm going to show you the sound of straight pipe on this car. This is Honda City Aspire 1.5. This is famous car in Pakistan here. Just some sports backlights. And Aspire 1.5. IV Tech Prosthetic. Moving to the front, I removed 17-inch wheels, now using stock 15-inch wheels, and I'm using GoPro on wide angle. Definitely don't forget to see the car headlights cleaning video. I will link it in the description. Also got installed this rubber lip yesterday, which is looking nice. And before showing you the straight pipe and how it sounds, let me first bring the interclip. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the straight pipe setup. Let's go to the back of the car. This is HKS exhaust, which is going straight. And if you see under the car, I removed the catalytic converter which is at the end of the exhaust and installed this HKS exhaust. Let me show you from the middle, from where I removed the stock muffler and installed a piece of straight pipe. Here you can see the welded joints of the straight pipe. You can see it's going straight, and there is only one catalytic converter installed back there in the middle, which has oxygen sensor, and I didn't mess with it. So you can see there is only one exhaust installed in the back. And now I'm going to show you the engine is not modified. I removed the air intake. Let's open the hood. You can see here just engine dressing, no other modification. So now let's go inside the car and start it up. It's winter here, and that's why engine is cold. I'm gonna wait till the engine warms up to the operating temperature. Now the blue light is off, but the RPM is still at 1000. It should be under 1000, like around 850 at idle state. So I guess I will just drive for a minute. Okay, now I'm back after driving 1 kilometer, and you can see clearly the RPM is at 800 something. I'm not sure, but it's less than 1000, so that's good. And now time to rev it and show you how it sounds. Let me set up the camera at the back so you can hear the sound. Slow revving in the start. And when you float it. Now another clip from my Handycam, which has 5.1 surround mic. Maybe it will sound better. Let's see. So now you heard the sound of straight pipe on HKS exhaust. I will tell you about my next video, so let's open the hood. So my next video will be how to flush radiator coolant and clean it, and also how to remove and clean radiator reservoir. And I'm gonna show you in another video how to clean oxygen sensor. It will be interesting video, and also how to clean catalytic converter without removing it. So let's start the car one last time from outside. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day and peace out.